everyone, welcome to my channel Computer Education. So today we are going to cover MS Excel. Okay, so those who want to learn MS Excel from beginning, you can learn it from this video. Hope everyone is fine. Okay, so let's start this video. This is my Excel part 1 video. Okay, and nowadays Excel is the world's most used spreadsheet program, and Excel is most powerful tool used for mathematical function. And nowadays Excel is most popular language. Okay, and I think without Excel is we have to learn Excel for basic computer programming language. Okay, so let's start this video. So here are the contents that we are going to cover in this video. First one is starting Excel. The second one is Excel workbook, and the third one is navigating worksheet. Okay. So before going to starting Excel, we have to know what do you mean by. So Excel is a Microsoft product, okay, and Microsoft Office contains a variety of tools that help people accomplish many personal and professional objectives, okay, and it provides an overview of the Excel applications along with an orientation for assessing the commands and features of one Excel workbook. And Excel is a tool that allows you to enter quantitative data into an electronic spreadsheet to apply one or more many mathematical computations. Okay, and Excel can be used to make decisions in both professional and personal contexts. So let's start. The first one is how to start Excel. Okay, the first point is locate Excel on your computer. Means though wherever you want to put Excel, that locate Excel on your computer. Then click Microsoft Excel to launch Excel application where you are presented the workbook option to help you get started. Then click the first option, blank workbook. Okay. The next one is Excel Workbook. The workbook is an Excel file that contains one or more worksheets that Excel will assign a file name to the workbook such as book 1, book 2 and book 3 and so on. And the next figure means figure 1 shows a blank workbook after starting Excel. Okay. Your screen may be slightly different based on your versions you have used. Means there are different type of versions like 2010, 2016 and 19. So it may be a little bit different on the versions. Okay. So here I am sharing the screens whenever you just open the Excel book. Okay. The first one is whenever you open Excel, you can see the options that sheet 1. Okay. It is the default workbook contain one sheet. More can be added. More can be added by clicking on the plus button. Okay. You can see that there are the plus button in the right side of sheet. You can click on the plus button and there are more sheets that will be available. Okay. Then you can see the maximize button. If you are minimize, you can click on the maximize button to maximize the screen, and you can also click on the close button to close the Excel. Okay, there are three different types of views. Okay, so normally there are normal view are available, but there are three different types of views are available. Okay, and then is zoom slider. You can zoom as per your requirement. By default it is 100%. You can choose, you can maybe minimize or maximize, okay, as per your requirement. Then you can see navigating worksheets. This is most important. How to navigating worksheet. Data are entered and managed in an Excel worksheet. The worksheet contains several rectangles called cells. Each part is on the rectangles is called cells, and for entering numeric and non-numeric data. and the cell that is currently activated, that is A1. A means the column and 1 is the row number. The following steps explain how you can navigate. You can place your mouse pointer over D5, then click check to make sure the column letter D and row number 5. Okay, so I'm sharing the screens that you can see that a columns are A, B, C, D, E, F and so on, and the rows are available 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. In the column part, I click on the D column, and in the row part I click on the 5 button. So here are my activated cell. You can see that column D with row 5 are highlighted, and you can click on the plus button to drag the cell. Okay, so here are how to activating a cell location. Okay, so how to highlight it multiple cell. So I have to highlight it from A1 to D5. So first I have to put the mouse pointer on A1, means A column, 1 row. Then click and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer back to D5. Release the left mouse button. You should see several cells highlighted. This is referred to as cell range and documented as follow: A1 to D5. Any two cell location separated by a column are known as cell range. The first cell is the top left corner range and the second cell is the lower right corner of the cell. I am sharing the screen. You can see that from A1 to D5. This is called as cell highlighting. Okay, you can see that. So this is called a cell range. You can see that the highlighted cell is A1 to D5. This is called cell range. Okay, so before I also told that in the bottom part, you can, whenever you can click on the plus button, there are more seats will available. Okay, so that's why I'm sharing also the screen. Click the tab to open the workbook. Okay, whenever you click on the C2 and C3, there are more workbook will available. Okay, so at the bottom of the screen, you will see sheet tab indicatedly called sheet 1. Clicking on the plus, that is adds additional worksheet. Okay, so click the sheet 1 workbook worksheet tab at the bottom and worksheet to return to worksheet shown in figure 3. Okay, so this is all about my part 1 video of MS Excel, and my new video will coming, and all the detail of ribbon details, what is the work of ribbons, and will continue so on. Okay, so thank you for watching my video and support to my channel, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video.